Good morning to everybody. So we are doing this exercise 11.2. Look at the question number 5 now. In a parallelogram ABCD, DL and BM are the heights of the side AB and AD respectively. DL is the height of the side AB and BM is the height of the side AD respectively. It is given. So if the area of the parallelogram is given 1470 centimeter square and AB is given that 35 centimeter, AB is 35 centimeter and AD is 49 centimeter. Given that AB equal to 35 centimeter, given that AB equal to 35 centimeter, and then height is also given 49 centimeter, AD is also given 49 centimeter, and area of the parallelogram it is given for you. Area of the parallelogram is 1470 centimeter square. Area of the parallelogram is given 1470 centimeter square. Am I right? Now what is the area of the parallelogram? Base into height. Base into corresponding height. Here what is the base? Base is AB for us. And then height is DL. Height is DL, which is equal to 1470 centimeter square. Now what is the base? It is given for us 35 centimeter. Base is how much? 35 centimeter. So 35 into DL. We don't know the height. DL. Keep it is. Then DL, that is equal to 1470 by 35. It goes with 7 table. 7 5s are 35, 2 5s are 10, remaining 4, 9 5s are 45, remaining 2, 4 5s are 20. Am I right here? That is DL equal to 294 by 7. I think again it goes with 7 table. 4 7s are 28, remaining 1, 2 7s are 14. Then DL, that is equal to 42 centimeter. What is DL? DL equal to 42 centimeter. I think it is not visible for you. I will write again. That is DL equal to 294 by 7. 4 7s are 28, 2 7s are 14. Then DL, that is equal to 42 centimeter, which is the corresponding height of the side AB. Which is the corresponding side of the side AB. Now, after that, what we have to find? You have to find the BM also. You have to find the BM also. Are you getting this part? Now look at the second part. Then again area is 1470 centimeter square. Now consider this one is the base. Which one is the base? BC is the base. Am I right? BC is the base. And then height is BM. Height is what? BM. Base into height. Now what is the base here? BC. But we don't know the value of BC. But AD is given 49 centimeter. If AD is 49, then BC is also 49. Because in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Therefore, BC is also 49 into BM, which is equal to 1470. Now BM, that is equal to 1470 by 49. Am I right? Now 149 is 49. 3 49s are 147, then it will be 30. Therefore, BM, that is equal to 30 centimeter. They asked us to find the corresponding height of DL and BM. We found DL as well as BM. Am I right here? Yes. Shall we move to the next question? Yeah. Look at the question number 7. ABC is a right triangle at right angle TA. Question number 7. Look at the question number 7. ABC is right angle at A. It is ABC is a triangle. Right angle at A it is given. And then AD is perpendicular to BC. What it is given? AD is perpendicular to BC. It is question number 7. In a triangle ABC, a right angle at A, and AD is perpendicular to BC. So draw from A, it is D, which is perpendicular to BC, it is given. And then AB equal to 5 centimeter. AB equal to 5 centimeter. Then BC equal to 13 centimeter. BC equal to 13 centimeter. And AC equal to 12 centimeter. Everything is given. Okay. Find the area of a triangle ABC and also find the length of AD. Right? What you have to find? Area of triangle ABC you have to find. After that, you have to find length of AD. You have to find. Am I right, dear? Yes. Now, what is the area of triangle formula for us? Area of triangle is nothing but half into base into height. So, half into base into height. Now, which one is the base? Yes, you have to consider a triangle like C. It is right angle at A. It is B. It is C. So, other than the hypotenuse, you can take anything as a base. Other than the hypotenuse. So, hypotenuse is 13 here. So, AB is how much? It's given 5 for you. Here it is 12 centimeter. Am I right? AC is 12 centimeter. Now, what is area of triangle? Half into base into height. Now, what is the base? 12 into AB's height. 5 centimeter. 1 2 is 2. 6 2 are 12, which is equal to 30 centimeter square. Which is equal to 30 centimeter square. Are you getting here? Yes. Other than the hypotenuse, you can take anything as a base. You can take either AB as a base or AC as a base. Okay. Then, one more thing we have to find. What is that? You have to find AD. You have to find what? AD. Now again, area of triangle ABC is already we found. How much we found? 30 centimeter square we found here. Now what is that? Half into base into height. Now half into base is what? BC, and then height is nothing but AD, which is equal to 30 centimeter square. Now already we know the base. BC is how much? 13. So half into 13 into AD, we don't know that. We are going to find AD only, which is equal to 30 centimeter square. So 1 2 is 2, 6.5 you can take. So 6.5 into AD, which is equal to 30. So AD, that is equal to 30 by 6.5. 30 by 6.5. Now multiply by 10 in both numerator and denominator to get the whole number in the denominator. Am I right here? Yes. Now you can reduce into the lowest form. Both the number goes with the 5 table. So 13 5s are 65. Here 6 5s are 30. 0. Am I right? Now 60 by 3. Now if you want, then you can reduce into the lowest form. Am I right? So 60 by 3. 4 13s are how much? 13, 26, 39, 42, 52. So 4 13s are 52. Remaining 8, 80. Am I right? 6 13s are how much? 78. The remaining 2, 113 is 13 and goes on. So we can stop it here. 4.61 centimeter, which is the required length of the AB. Which is the required length of the AB. Are you getting there? So this is question number 7. This is question number 7. Then, shall we move to the next part? Yes. Shall we move to the question number 8 now? Yeah, look at the question number 8. ABC is an isosceles triangle with it is given ABC is an isosceles triangle. It is question number 8. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC 7.5 centimeter each. AB is also 7.5 centimeter. AC is also 7.5 centimeter. And then base is 9 centimeter. Base is 9 centimeter. The height AD from A to BC. So we are going to draw from AD to BC, which is perpendicular to BC. Am I right? From AD, the height AD from A to BC is 6 centimeter. That is, AD is given that 6 centimeter. AD is 6 centimeter. Now find the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC you have to find. And then second part you have to find that what will be the height from C to AB. Name it as E, something like that. You have to find CE then. You have to find CE. Are you getting there? Yes. Shall we find now? Yeah. So what is the area of the triangle? Half into base into height. Area of the triangle is what? Half into base into height. So area of triangle equal to half into base into height. Now what is the base? Base is 9 centimeter, and then height is nothing but AD. Height is nothing but AD, which is equal to 6. So 1 2 is 2, 3 2 are 6, 9 3 are 27 centimeter square. 27 centimeter square. Then again you have to find which one? CE. You have to find CE. Then again write down area of a triangle. Area of a triangle already we found, that is 27 centimeter square. So half into base into height. Now we are going to find the height of CE. So consider which one is the base. AB as the base here. AB as the base. So half into AB. Perpendicular is what? CE, which is equal to 27. So half into AB is nothing but 7.5 into, we don't know the perpendicular CE. That's what we are going to find. So half into 7.5 into CE, which is equal to 27. Am I right here? Now 7.5 into CE, that is equal to 27. Multiply divide becomes multiply. So 27 into 2. Am I right? Now again. So 7.5 into CE, that is equal to 27 to how much? 54. So CE equal to 54 by 7.5. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Now what you can do? You can divide by 3. 18 3s are 54. 2 3s are 6. 5 3s are 15. 2.5. Then CE, that is equal to 18 by 2.5. Am I right? So multiply by 10 in both numerator and denominator. You will get 180 by how much dear? Yes, CE, that is equal to 180 by 25 you will get. 425 are 100, 525 are 125, 625 are 150, 725 are 175. So carry over 5 here. So 225 are 50, which is equal to 7.2 centimeter. They asked us to find the length of CE. CE also we found. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So basically the concept of what? Area of a parallelogram and triangle. Area of the parallelogram is what? Base into height square units. Area of triangle is what? Half into base into height square units. That's all. Are you getting there? Yes. So I didn't do the question number 5, I think so. 5 I didn't do. So you have to try by your own. Am I right dear? Yes. Thank you to everybody. Thank you. Then tomorrow we will start the next exercise. Thank you to all.